Hello, German learners. Are you ready to learn about German consonant pronunciation? Today's lesson is going to teach you how to pronounce those tricky German consonant combinations. If you haven't already, you should start with the German alphabet. The German alphabet is a great place to start to learn how to pronounce the letters in German. Then, I'd recommend going to the video about German vowel pronunciation. After that is the video about German vowel combinations. And then, I'd recommend doing this one after those three. Let's get started with those tricky German vowel combos. First is the C or CH combination. A C can be like a K or like a SH, sh, if it's at the beginning or middle of a word. For example, backen. The CK is like a K, backen, K, chemie, or chaos, also a K sound, or cello, or chef, it's like a sh, sh, chef. And if the CH is at the middle or the end of a word, it'll be different, like Bach, doch, Dach, machen. It's a softer CH sound. We don't have anything similar in English. So how do you pronounce a D at the end of a German word? It could be like a T or a hard D, like Bad, bald, Rad. It's kind of like a D and a T at the same time. Next we have the J. It's different than in English. It sounds like a Y, yacht. For example, kayak, ja, Januar, Jacke. It's a y sound. Then we have a consonant combo, KN. So unlike in English, where we would probably have a silent K, German pronounces both of them. Kn, Knochen, Knoblauch, Knote. We pronounce the K and the N. Pronounce all the letters in German words. You'll rarely have any silent letters like in English. The next letter combo is PF. We also pronounce the P and the F. Pf, Pfennig, Pferd, Pflaume, Pfund. We say the P and the F. Pf. The next German consonant sound is the Q, U. So these letters are always together like in English, the Q and U, but it has a different sound. Quittung, bequem, Quelle. It sounds like kv, kv, kv. Then we have the German R. It sounds like you're clearing your throat and it can be difficult to make. So just do your best with it. Like in Reich, Herr, fahren. If we have the S at the beginning or the middle, it usually sounds like a Z in English. Well, some examples are Salz, sagen, lesen. Usually, these beginning and middle S's sound like Z's. Lesen, sagen, Salz. Then we have an SP combination. Now in English it would sound like sp, but it sounds like sp, like an SH, sp. Sprache, spenden, Sport, Spaß, spielen. These SPs all sound like sp. Similarly, we have ST, like st. So these always have a sh sound, like Student, Stadt, Straße, st. Not st, but st. Next is the TH combination. In English it would be th, but in German it's t, like Theater, Theorie, or thermometer. It's like a simple T. And what about the TSCH combination? It's like in English ch, like a CH. For example, Deutsch, Rutsch, Gletscher. These are all like a ch sound. And what about the German V? It sounds like the English F, F, Vater, Volk, and sometimes it sounds like a V, Vibration. And in German, the W, the V, sounds like in English V, Wetter, or Winter, weinen, warm, or wohnen. It sounds like the English V. Next is the German Y in the middle of a word. It sounds like in English Ü, like typisch, Physik, hypothetisch, or Hymne. These words with a Y in the middle sound like a Ü. So don't let those confuse you. It's not typisch, but typisch. Typ, not tip or type, but typ. Z is pronounced like in English TS, ts. So it's not a z or a z or s, but ts, as if there's a T in front of it. Like plötzlich. Here it has a T, but you would pronounce all of them as if there was a T, not just plötzlich. Zimmer, Herz, Zeit, Zahn, Zelt are all examples. So let's have a look at an example story that uses some of these words. And see if you can read along and pronounce these words now as well. Es war einmal eine Stadt voller Chaos. Remember the ST, st, Stadt, and the CH, k, Chaos. Ein Koch. The CH is at the end of the word now, so it's like that ch, Koch. Herr Reich beschloss, einen Kuchen mit Knoblauch und Pflaumen zu backen. So, Knoblauch, remember to pronounce that K and N, kn, and Pflaumen, the PF, pf, Pflaumen, zu. So it's not su or, so, it's zu, like a teasy, zu. Ging auf den Markt, frische Zutaten zu, again the T-Z, Zutaten, zu kaufen. Und traf dort einen Mann namens Jacke. Jacke, remember that J is like a Y, ja, der auf einem Pferd ritt. Pferd, that PF, Pferd. Jacke war auf der Suche, like a Z, Suche, nach, the CH is soft at the end, nach seinem, like a Z, seinem, verlorenen Kajak. So the J in the middle, it's not kajak or kajak. It sounds like a Y. Kayak. I hope you have an easier time pronouncing those German words now. If you want to learn more about German, go to mygermanizedlife.com. You can find grammar, pronunciation, and vocabulary practice. Download flashcards for free. And if you're a German teacher, why not check out my full 45-minute German teaching resources. They have original artwork, unique stories, reading comprehension questions, flashcards, and all the activities you need to entertain your classes. Keep watching those daily shorts to learn German vocabulary, and I'll see you next week on our next video. Bis bald, German learners. Auf Wiedersehen.